Hello everybody at Castleview, it's Mrs Nicholls again. We'd like to welcome you to our second virtual assembly based on our school values. This week's assembly will be led and discussed by several different members across the school, and they're going to share their opinions and thoughts on the values of this week. The values that we're looking at for this week are to be decisive and value equality. We hope you enjoy the assembly this week.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about being decisive. To me, being decisive is about either spotting a situation that needs to be sorted out, or it's about making decisions quickly and effectively. In a couple of years' time from now, many of you will be wanting to learn how to drive. And when you're driving, you'll have to make many decisions quickly. But of course, most situations don't require you to make decisions as quickly as you do when you're driving. And there's nothing wrong with taking your time to think carefully, do a bit of research, and to get the opinions of other people around you. However, whatever you decide to do in life, wherever you decide to work, you'll have to be able to make decisions for yourself. So my challenge to you today is to have a think. Is there something in your life, an opportunity that you've been offered, something that you could do a little bit differently? I'd like you to be decisive, have a go, make a change, and let us know how you've got on.
One of the school values is about being decisive. I believe this means having the confidence to make your own decisions and to stand by them. One of the ways in which this value has had an impact on my life was my choice of university. I went to the Open University, but a lot of my friends were going away to different universities, studying a variety of courses. But I made my decision that I wasn't going to do what my friends were doing, I was going to make my own choice. And going to the Open University meant I could have a job during the day and I could study at night to get my degree, which is what I needed to become a teacher. This for me was the right decision, and I'm pleased that I had the conviction and the confidence to make my own decision and to stick with it.
I think the Castleview value that sticks out most to me is be decisive. I think the days when I've made a decision and I know exactly what I want to achieve that day, those days are the ones that go smoothest for me. I like to think I've been very decisive in my life. I've always known what I want to do, and I've been determined to make that happen. So yeah, that's the one that sticks out the most for me.
I think being decisive for me is, well, it does exactly what it says on the tin. It's making decisions and sticking to them, no matter what other people may think. And I think that links quite well into valuing equality. Everyone's different in their own unique way, and everyone has a different view on the world. But I think respecting that view and showing mutual respect and kindness towards other people is really all we've got, especially in the current climate. So make a decision, be sure that you're making the right decision for you, and if someone else makes a decision, respect that decision, and show them that they're allowed to have their own opportunity.
I'm sure you've all seen the big campaign happening at the moment in relation to the George Floyd death in America last week. Black Lives Matter has been big on social media, and I even saw yesterday Liverpool were taking a knee at Anfield in support of the campaign, the work that's going in to try and get some justice for him and his family. It's not the first time that this has been brought up. Colin Kaepernick made a stand in the NFL a few years ago, and lots of players were taking a knee during national anthems at the beginning of NFL matches to raise awareness and make a point in terms of how they're being treated. It's really important we don't just limit this and think about the racism, but we can also think about homophobia and how that it can affect pride, and how we can do more to take people for who they are and respect them and value them, rather than trying to put them down.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Marchant here. I just wanted to talk to you about another one of our core values this week, and that is the value of equality. Now, what does equality mean? The definition is the state of being equal, especially in rights, status and opportunities. I think that's especially poignant this week with everything that we can see in the media. Now, does anyone recognise this man? Now, this man's name is George Floyd, and on May 25th this year he was killed. Now, he was in a community called Powham in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and he was arrested and pushed to the ground and held to the ground with a knee to his neck by the arresting police officer for over 8 minutes. And during this time, there is evidence, there's video footage, that he was calling out for help, asking the man to stop. Now, he did unfortunately then die, and the coroner did then report it as death by asphyxiation, meaning he couldn't breathe, and he was killed. Now, why does this link to equality? Why is this important? Why am I talking to you about this? Well, Floyd's death has sparked a huge demonstrations, protests, you've probably seen them in the media, and leading to an outcry of the unfair treatment of this man and others alike him. It is important that we recognise that we don't know all of the facts, and it is just from what we see in the media. But the message is clear. This desperate outcry for an end to police violence in this American community. Now, Tuesday the 2nd of June was a very important day, and it marked a day where a huge event where celebrities, corporations, music labels, sports stars all did a blackout on social media. Now, you may have seen that. Now, why was that important? How did that help? Well, the point was, it was for people to stop using that time on social media and use that time to learn about, to educate themselves on the Black Lives Matter movement. Now, it's important to note again that we don't know all of the facts of this event, but the message that the outcry, the protests, the demonstrations have given is that equality is such an important value. And we need to value it as a community, whatever colour, race, gender or religion. It's an incredibly important message to think about. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go away, I want you to think about this and think about how you could make that difference. How could you value equality in your community and for those around you? Thank you for listening.